everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my favorite season. Summer is my favorite because it's warm and sunny. I love spending days at the beach, playing in the sand and swimming. Ice cream and cold drinks help me stay cool in the heat. Relaxing under a shady tree with a good book is the best. Barbecues with family and friends make for memorable gatherings. I enjoy watching fireflies light up the night sky. Going on picnics in the park is a fun way to spend time outdoors. Summer vacations mean adventures and exploring new places. Longer days mean more time for outdoor activities and fun. Summer is all about making special memories that last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.